iDatalink Maestro line of car audio integration products designed to simplify installation and offer unparalleled functionality. Vehicles today are equipped with many factory features that are often lost when replacing the factory radio. One module does it all. The iDatalink Maestro RR is a universal radio replacement and steering wheel control interface. The Maestro RR is web programmable via our intuitive WebLink application. Simply connect the module to your Windows or Apple computer via the included USB cable and follow the step-by-step process to program your module for your vehicle. Installation is seamless using one of our 30+ vehicle-specific T-harness and dash kit solutions, providing applications for a wide variety of vehicles from 2007 and up. Integration of factory infotainment, steering wheel controls, reverse camera, and climate controls is possible through the unique iDatalink serial connection found on any Maestro-compatible aftermarket receiver. The Maestro RR offers the highest level of integration, providing peace of mind knowing you will not lose any factory features when replacing your radio. Most new vehicles today utilize the factory radio to control the vehicle feature settings. This is just one of the many obstacles faced when replacing the factory radio. Through the Maestro RR, these features are retained and controlled from the aftermarket radio touchscreen. The Maestro RR also provides additional vehicle features to the aftermarket radio, including performance gauges, vehicle information, dynamic parking lines, and parking assist. To see what is available for your car, go to www.idataLinkMaestro.com and enter your vehicle information into the Fit Guide on the home page. Then select the make and model of the radio you will be installing. The Fit Guide will now display all of the added and retained options based on the vehicle and radio. It will also provide a list of required and optional accessories for the installation.